You say you want more money, more respect, more freedom, but every single day you choose comfort. You wake up and reach for your phone. You avoid the hard task. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. No, your comfort zone isn't protecting you. It's killing you. Slowly, quietly, permanently. Your brain is wired for survival, not greatness. It chases dopamine, easy pleasure, quick rewards, no resistance. Scrolling, snacking, procrastinating. Every time you choose comfort, you strengthen neural wiring built around weakness. That's conditioning. Your psychology adapts to repetition. If you repeat avoidance, your identity becomes someone who avoids. If you repeat ease, your discipline shrinks. You don't lack potential. You lack controlled discomfort. Comfort feels safe, but biologically it lowers your stress tolerance. It makes your nervous system fragile. Then when real pressure hits, you collapse. You blame motivation. You blame circumstances. But the truth is brutal. You trained yourself to be soft. Here's the shift. Your brain can be rewired. Neuroplasticity is real. Discomfort is the tool. Every time you choose the hard thing, you rebuild your identity. You move from consumer to creator, from reactive to disciplined, but only if you act. Not tomorrow. Now. Do one hard thing first. Every morning before dopamine and distractions. Cold shower, workout, deep work. Morning actions set dominance patterns in your brain. Win early and your mind expects effort. Lose early and it craves escape. Stop negotiating with weakness. Remove easy dopamine. Cut down scrolling, junk food, and mindless entertainment. When stimulation drops, your dopamine system recalibrates. Focus increases. Boredom becomes power. Discipline is not force, it's environment control. Set non-negotiable standards instead of weak goals. Not, I'll try, but I train 5 days a week. Identity-based habits stick because they shape who you are. Raise your standards and your behavior follows. Train discomfort, tolerance. Sit with urges, delay gratification. Finish what you start. Each time you resist impulse, you strengthen prefrontal control over emotion. That's mental armor. Audit your excuses. Write them down. Most excuses are emotional stories your brain creates to avoid effort. Awareness kills self-deception. Understand this. Your comfort zone will not disappear on its own. It expands when you feed it. 5 years from now, you will either thank yourself or resent yourself. There is no neutral path. You are either building resilience or rehearsing regret. So decide, are you controlled by comfort, or do you use discomfort as a weapon? Because right now, your future is being trained by what you choose.